Hello everyone, my name is Matt Cincerello. I'm the owner and managing partner here at U-Nique Accounting. If this is your first time watching our content, thank you for finding and listening to us. If you've watched us before, thank you for continuing to tune into our channel. You can also visit us at www.u-niqueaccounting to learn more about our company. While you're there, I recommend that you check out our blog, and you can visit our downloadable guides page to take advantage of our free guidebooks. And with that out of the way, let's go ahead and jump into today's topic. So the topic I want to talk about today is the concept of budgeting versus forecasting. So forecasting is a huge passion of mine. It's been one of my most favorite topics to present on. And I presented this in numerous ways to association meetings, networking groups, and even once with a large executive group of a 200 million plus manufacturing company. And I'll tell you that whether your business is small or large, don't feel bad, because only a minority really understand this topic and utilize forecasting the right way. And while I normally present this topic over the course of an hour, I'm going to try to condense it down to just 2 short videos, with today's video being the differences between budgets and forecasts, and an upcoming video that will cover forecasts and how to use them as a tool to analyze your business performance. So with that, let's get right into it. So it's happened again. Last year, you went through the effort of creating a budget, only to have your first quarter results be completely different due to inflation and marketplace changes. Years ago, the culprit of this was COVID. This year's inflation. And I'm telling you, the next time, it's just going to be something else that you cannot control. So what do you do now? What do you do now that your budget is gone? How can you measure your future business performance against expectations that just no longer have any relevance to you? Well, the answer is a forecast. And I'm telling you that as a small business, you need to just throw out your budget in the same trash can that you threw your old desktop accounting software into back when you upgraded to a cloud-based accounting software like Xero. So what are the big differences between a budget and a forecast? I'm going to get really dry here, but it'll help with the explanation. So I'm going to use the Merriam-Webster dictionary definitions of budgets and forecasts. So stick with me here. A budget is a statement of financial position of an administration for a definite period of time based on estimates of expenditures during the period. It's a plan for the coordination of resources and expenditures. It's the amount of money that is available for, required for, or assigned to a particular purpose. Well, now that that's out of the way, in essence, a budget is just all about control. Okay? Now, the definition of forecast is much different. It's to calculate or predict as a result of study and analysis of available pertinent data. It's to indicate is likely to occur. So while a budget is all about control, a forecast, in essence, is about predictions and indications. So obviously people use budgets. When's the right time to use a budget, and when is the wrong time to use one? Well, a budget is useful really when you just want to set controls to protect your cash flow. And in that instance, it's a perfectly good business tool. An example of this would be travel budgets for your salespeople. This way, when they go out, they know exactly what they can spend on their meals, airline costs, etc. Okay? That way you know how much the trips are costing, and you protect your cash flow. On the other hand, a budget should never be used as a business analysis tool. To use this tool to keep measuring your business against a constantly evolving landscape is just not a good way to measure your business. And so what are the alternatives to a budget? Well, the answer is a forecast. And not just any old forecast, a dynamic forecast. And there is a difference there. There's a difference between a static forecast and a dynamic forecast. So please stay tuned for our upcoming video on dynamic forecasts and how you can use it as a key business performance analysis tool. If you appreciate our advice, please remember to like our video and subscribe to our channel for future videos. Until then, remember, don't conform, stay unique.